Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into some cool tone dip powders and some sparkle to create a New Year's Eve mani. Not only are these colors great for the upcoming New Year's season, but they're also awesome colors for that cool winter season that we are currently in. I know here in Wisconsin, it is cold, it has already snowed several times, and we're in full-blown winter right now. So right now we are dipping into this beautiful color right here. You can see it is very full coverage. It is everything. It's almost like a midnight blue mixed with some teal and some gray, and then voila, you get like the perfect icy like deep blue. It's gorgeous. It also has a shimmer to it, and I love how it has like this gray undertone to it. It's really pretty and very full coverage. I love the look that you get with that first coat. And I really do enjoy dip powders that are super full coverage. So we're doing the gel method today, and we are going to cure in between each coat for a full 30 seconds. And I'm also using gel base right now, which is also from Bling Galleria. Love the consistency. I know I talked about it before. It's a great consistency when you are making press-ons. All right, so this is when this color just is a complete game changer and comes to life with that second dip, and it's even more full coverage and even more shimmery. It's everything. So you can see here those difference between the two and the one. So I finished up the rest of the two dips off camera because we're going to be doing a lot today. So I just wanted to get into this beautiful color right here. And this one right here, you can do a lot with. Not only can you do like this beautiful silver color like you're seeing right now, but you could also chrome with this. And I figured, well, we're doing a New Year's Eve mani. Nothing speaks New Year's Eve like obviously sparkle and a little bit of shimmer. So I thought we would add some chrome to this nail. So now I'm doing a layer of gel top coat on here, and we're gonna cure that top coat for a full 60 seconds. Now we're gonna use this eyeshadow applicator here, and I'm using the tan side, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dip that directly into the powder. And we are just going to rub that powder all over the nail, and you can already see the beautiful transformation of this silver chrome. Super easy to do. It's almost effortless. It's super, like, just everything about it is just like that super chrome effect, and I love it so much. And I like how it's like this silver, and it's just giving me all those icy kind of vibes, and I'm totally loving it. So then once we're done with the chrome, I'm gonna flip that eyeshadow brush over to that white side and just gently clean everything up here so everything is looking super smooth as it can be. And then that is it for this chrome. That was how easy it was to achieve that chrome nail with an actual dip powder, which I think is awesome because then you have a dip powder and you can use it for however you want, plus you can use it for chroming, so it's kind of like the best of both worlds. All right, so now this nail needed a little extra pop of sparkle because that chrome wasn't blingy enough. Now I am focusing on these smaller pieces of glitter only. They're like micro and they're really holographic, so when the light hits them, they have like this beautiful rainbow effect, which I feel looks so pretty on this chrome nail. Now wait till you see at the end of this video, I have this mani in the sunlight so you can see like the full effect, because the subtle glitter that we have on this chrome nail right now is a complete game changer when it's in the actual like sunlight or super bright light. So it's kind of like you have like a subtle chrome sparkly nail, but it's like a whole nother animal when it hits the light. So now we're gonna do this one nail with full coverage of Confetti Cannon. Now Confetti Cannon, like I said, it's a mixture of this just beautiful fine glitters, but yet it has these pieces of like shard glitters in here. They kind of almost look like shattered glass. It's so fun. It's beautiful. You're gonna get a different look anytime you dip into this because you're gonna pick up different like shard shaped pieces. Overall, really fun. Everything does lay really flat to the nail as well, but I am taking my time just to make sure I am gently pressing everything down so everything is laying super flat. Plus, I really like the coverage that I got with that first dip into that cupcake liner. So I'm only gonna do one dip here of Confetti Cannon because I love the coverage so much. All right, so then I was looking at this nail here and I was like, you know what? We're gonna add some glitter to this other nail here because in the end, this is a New Year's inspired mani and we needed some more glitter on this nail here. Plus I wanted to see how the fine glitter looks on top of this SeaSide color, and it looked beautiful. But then I was like, okay, this nail also needs some of those shard pieces just to kind of tie everything together. So you could totally leave this nail as is with those fine glitters. You can see where it has like that hint of rainbowness to it. So you could leave it totally like that, or you could add some shard pieces here. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to add some shard pieces here just to kind of tie in the whole look together. Plus I really liked how it looked. It gave it more of like kind of like a not so put together glitter ombre. It kind of gave it like a messy shattered effect, and I really like that about it. So I did the rest of the shattered pieces off camera, and now we're going to file and buff. Filing and buffing was super easy. It's just the standard filing and buffing that I do. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on the filing and buffing, I definitely can do that, but all I'm doing is just cleaning up the sidewalls, the free edge, and just reshaping ever so carefully. That is all I need to do because everything is already laying so flat. So when I'm doing the gel method, I actually do not buff on top of that pigment. All right, so then to finish up this mani here, we're gonna seal everything in with a layer of gel base. We're gonna cure for a full 30 seconds, and then I finish up the rest of the base, and we're gonna finish up with a layer of gel top coat. Now this top coat, it's everything. It has like the perfect glass shine, which is just gonna bring these glitter pieces just even more shinier and sparklier. So here's the finished mani. I love it so much. It's more of like, you know, when you see New Year's Eve manis, you see a lot of blacks. I wanted to pull in some blues just to change it up a little bit, and I felt like SeaSide was like that perfect like darkness, but yet it's still just like the perfect amount that you need for New Year's. Plus, if you don't want to rock this for New Year's, this is a great option for the winter season because you have like these really awesome icy colors. Overall, these powders performed amazingly, and I just love the coverage of these beautiful colors that we use as well. Bling Galleria definitely has some amazing magical full coverage dip powders. So I hope you enjoyed this New Year's Eve mani. Stay tuned, we have plenty more of New Year's manis to come, and everything that we did use in today's mani can be found in that description box below, and I'll see you all in the next one.